Donetsk Oblast is an oblast of eastern Ukraine. It is the most populated oblast, with around 4.5 million residents. Its administrative center is Donetsk. However, its regional state administration was relocated to Mariupol, a temporary measure due to the ongoing crisis in Donetsk. Historically, the region is an important part of the Donbas region. Until November 1961, it bore the name Stalino Oblast, as its capital Donetsk was named Stalino in honor of Joseph Stalin at that time. The oblast is known for its urban sprawl and is often associated with mining industry. On April 7, 2014, following the 2014 Crimean crisis, separatists occupying the Donetsk Oblast administrative building declared independence from Ukraine and held a referendum on separating from Ukraine on May 11, 2014. Subsequently, the war in Donbas started. After Donetsk was under control of the separatist government, the Donetsk Oblast administration was relocated to Mariupol, and later to Kramatorsk. Geography: Donetsk Oblast is located in southeastern Ukraine. The area of the oblast comprises about 4.4% of the total area of the country. The oblast borders the Dnipropetrovsk and Zaporizhzhia oblasts on the southwest, the Kharkiv Oblast on the north, the Luhansk Oblast on the northeast, the Rostov Oblast in Russia on the east, and with the Sea of Azov on the south. Its longitude from north to south is 270 kilometers, from east to west are 190 kilometers. The extreme points of the oblast's borders are, Byalosoredska Kosa on the south, Shevchenko of Velikonovosilkovsky Rayon on the west, Verkhnaya Kut of Shortkhtysky Rayon on the east, and Luzov of Krasnolimansky Rayon in the north. The state historic architectural preserve near the city of Svyatogorsk with the Svyatogorsk Level was nominated for the Seven Wonders of Ukraine. Administrative divisions: the province is primarily divided into 18 rayons and 28 municipalities of equal status, including the provincial administrative center Donetsk. These are listed below with their areas and populations. The province's secondary division consists of various municipalities that are governed by their councils. Those municipalities may consist of one or more populated places. All are administratively subordinate to the rayon in which they are located. The following data incorporates the number of each type of second-level administrative divisions of Donetsk Oblast. Total of settlements are 1,283, including villages are 1,124. Cities towns are 159, including urban-type settlement are 131. Cities of rayon subordinates are 24. Selsovets are NA. The local administration of the oblast is controlled by the Donetsk Oblast Rada. The governor of the oblast is the head of Donetsk Oblast administration, appointed by the President of Ukraine. Demographics: in 2013 the population of Donetsk Oblast was 4.43 million, which constituted 10% of the overall Ukrainian population, making it the most populous and most densely populated region of the country. Its large population is due to the presence of several big industrial cities and numerous villages agglomerated around them. During the 2004 presidential election, political supporters of Viktor Yanukovych threatened to demand autonomy for Donetsk and neighboring oblasts if the election of their candidate was not recognized. However, no official moves were ever made. At the 2001 Ukrainian national census, the ethnic groups within the Donetsk Oblast were Ukrainians are 2,744,100, Russians are 1,844,400, Pontic Greeks are 77,500, Belarusians are 44,500, others. At the 2001 census, the languages spoken within the oblast were Russian are 74.9%, Ukrainian are 24.1%. The oblast also contains 21% of the country's Muslims. Age structure equals 0 are 14 years, 12.6%, 15 are 64 years, 70.4%, 65 years and over, 17.0%. Median age equals, total, 41.9 years, male, 38.0 years, female, 45.8 years. Economy Industry The Donetsk Oblast covers more than one-half coal, finished steel, coke, cast iron and steel production in Ukraine. Ferrous metallurgy, fuel industry and power industry are in demand in the structure of industry production. There are about 882 industry enterprises that are on independent balance, and 2,095 small industry enterprises in the oblast. The oblast has a developed transport infrastructure which includes the Donetsk Railway, the Mariupol port, the Donetsk International Airport, passenger airports in Mariupol and Kramatorsk, and dense road systems. In the Donetsk Oblast 2 special economic zones have been created, Donetsk and Atsev, which have a privileged tax regime. Agriculture In 1999, the gross grain yield in the oblast was about 999.1 thousand tons, sugar beets euro 27.1 thousand tons, sunflower seeds euro 309.4 thousand tons, and potatoes euro 380.2 thousand tons. Also, 134.2 thousand tons of meat, 494.3 thousand tons of milk and 646.4 million eggs have been produced. At the beginning of 1999 there was 2108 farms within the oblast. Ecology The Donetsk Oblast's climate is mostly continental, which is characterized by hot summers and relatively cold winters with changeable snow surfaces. East and southeast strong winds, high temperatures and heavy rain showers are typical in the summer. The average annual rainfall is 524 millimeters. The basic minerals found here are coal, rock salt, lime carbonate, potassium, mercury, asbestos, and graphite. The area is also rich in fertile black earth. Important resources for recreation within the area are the mild climate, the Sea of Atsev coast, curative mud, sources of minerals, and radon and table water. Due to these numerous recreation resources, many resort hotels and camps are located here. There are about 26 health centers and pensions, 52 rest homes and boarding houses, and rest camps for children in the oblast. The curative areas in the oblast include the Slavyansk salt lakes and mineral water sources. The oblast also contains many park zones, some of which are of great national value. They include the Komutivsky steppe and the Atsev Sea coast. Overall, the Donetsk Oblast contains about 70 protected park and nature attractions including branches of the Ukrainian Steppe Park, 6 state reserves, 10 memorials of nature, landscapes, and 6 park tracts. Polls During the 1991 referendum, 83.90% of votes in Donetsk Oblast were in favor of the declaration of independence of Ukraine. A survey conducted in December 2014 by the Kyiv International Institute of Sociology found 18.5% of the oblast's population supported their region joining Russia, 53.8% did not support the idea, 22.5% were undecided, and 5.2% did not respond. Insurgent-controlled areas were not polled. See also: Subdivisions of Ukraine, Donetsk Basin, List of cities in Donetsk Oblast. References. External links.